Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Luz and today's video is a move with me video. I am taking you guys along with me while I pack up all my stuff. We are moving from this apartment onto a house. So we are super duper excited and I'm so excited to take you along with me. Of course, for any move, we are going to need boxes, lots and lots of boxes. You can always use bags or your luggage in a pinch, but thankfully we got plenty of boxes for this little move. And I'm starting off in my office, packing up all of my kids' coloring stuff, and I'm putting them all in Ziploc baggies. I find these to be the perfect way to transport them and to keep things neatly organized and separated, especially things that are small and you have plenty of them, like coloring pencils, crayons, and markers. Next, I moved on to the closet and I made sure that I kept items out that I knew I was going to use until moving day. I filmed this video over a multitude of days, so at this point I think I had about a week left till moving date. So I wanted to keep a few shoes out. Did I use all the shoes that I kept out? No, but I wanted my options. So I did put away most of my stuff and just kept out what I needed. For the makeup, I kept out my monthly makeup basket. If you haven't watched my monthly makeup basket, I'll go ahead and leave the link up below. But it's basically where I keep the items I'm going to use for the month. And everything else I put up in this plastic container. I do recommend that you put your makeup in something super sturdy like this plastic container or just a thick plastic container, period. That way your makeup doesn't get broken. And again, just using those Ziploc baggies to keep things separated and in order. For the kitchen, I decided to tackle the cabinets first. I wanted to make sure I got everything out of there. And I separated what I was going to take with me and what I was just going to dump or donate. I wanted to make sure I'm not taking any trash with me to the new place and just keep what we really use. Ta-da! All done. In the bathroom, I have so many beauty products, just way too many. So for sure, I went through everything here and dumped out what I was not going to use and kept what I am currently loving and what I'm using and put everything away. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, you can go ahead and do so by clicking that subscribe button down below. And you can go ahead and ring that notification bell. That way you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys and stay blessed. Bye.